You know what grinds my gears? Is customers who leave product reviews on my storefront. But guess what? I know how to get those removed. Let me show you. So, it's very simple. All you do is you come over here to your customer feedback bar and you click on the link. Very simple. Now, if somebody leaves a negative product review on your storefront, you can get that removed by just saying, hey, Amazon, this is not a review against my store, it's a review against the product. So all you would do is go over to the Actions button, click on it, and then request removal. And right away, someone from Amazon should be able to tell, and honestly, their algorithm, I think, is able to tell if there's any kind of product description or anything in there at all. They'll be able to tell that it is not a review of your store, but a review of the product, and it will be removed. Now, here's the beauty of it. If it's a positive review, and it's a product review, well, just keep it. Awesome. Now you have more 5 stars in your store. So if you're wondering how so many people have 100% positive feedback on their store, that is why. So just a word to the wise, always have everything but 5 stars removed, especially 1 stars removed when they are product reviews. So there you go. No more negative reviews from stupid customers. Awesome. Anyway, I've saved you all that stress, so go ahead and click that like button and the subscribe button, and I'd appreciate it. And there's going to be more content, so stay tuned. All right, see you.